Hey Adventure Rider, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of luxury with a comprehensive review of Nieman Marcus for 2024. Quick cuts of Nieman Marcus store exterior, high-end products, and fashion shows. Nieman Marcus has always been synonymous with opulence and exclusivity, but how does it stack up in 2024? Let's find out. Images of high-end fashion, accessories, and home decor. Merchandise is undeniably top-notch. From designer fashion to exquisite home goods, Nieman Marcus offers a curated selection hard to beat. But is the price tag justified? We'll break down the value proposition. Clips of customer service interactions, store atmosphere, and online shopping experience. Customer service is a crucial aspect of the luxury shopping experience. We'll assess how Nieman Marcus fares in terms of staff knowledge, helpfulness, and overall atmosphere. Plus, we'll explore the online shopping experience and see if it lives up to the in-store luxury. Stay tuned for our in-depth analysis of Nieman Marcus's strengths and weaknesses. We'll uncover hidden gems, share our honest opinions, and help you decide if Nieman Marcus is worth the splurge.